If you spend any time digging around in the dirt, you want durable tools that you can rely on. The gardening gear from Barebones Living is made from high-quality, long-lasting materials. Founder Robert Workman applies the shaker philosophy of creating things that are equal parts necessary, useful, and beautiful to his well-made tools. The designs have a minimal but functional feel and use tempered stainless steel to tackle dirty jobs without wearing down. Their multifunctional Ultimate tool is a great example of this approach. It can hammer, saw, dig, and even open a bottle for a cold reward after weeding duty, and more. It's all in a slim design that belies its many capabilities. Barebones Living began as a way to support Robert's own nonprofit, and now donates time and resources to help marginalized communities around the world. You can rely on these sturdy tools to do good in your garden, while they help others as well.